Thank you for coming to my channel. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Come back for reviews and reactions and story time and so much stuff. I'm out of breath. Okay, I just ran up the stairs. But anyways, let's get this over with. Now, I think some of you may already know. I wanted to try the fresh soursop, but it's cheaper to try it this way before I actually spend money, a lot of money, on having soursop and other little fruits shipped to me. I wanted to try to see if I was maybe even totally interested. But I noticed Publix had these. Got them delivered. Let's go ahead and get ready to try them. Okay. So I got it open finally. Yeah. I'm ready to try it. It smells so good. I think I'm gonna love it. I think that I'm gonna love it. This comes from Publix. It came frozen. I think it's probably also good frozen, but let me try it. I like it. Similar to a banana, but much better. Tangy. Banana, tangy. I don't know. Not quite banana, but similar, and it's got I bet it's so good just like this, just the fruit pulp. I can't wait to order this. I have to order some fresh soursop. Yeah, I think I'll purchase it. It's so good. It has a floral taste to it too. I don't know how to explain what I'm saying, but a floral, tangy, banana, it's really good. If you make shakes and smoothies for yourself, you gotta get that. I got this from Publix. It comes frozen, so you can also get these and just eat them like a freezer pop, honey. But yeah, I wanted to try this too. Publix as well. I wanted to try this drink as well. Yeah, I like it. I think I will purchase a fruit box from Fruits and Roots. Oh, I love it.